Hi, I'm Mr. Worker.
Looking for the best bolt cutters in 2026? Here are 6 professional models. The KNIPEX 71, 72, 910 delivers exceptional cutting power thanks to induction-hardened edges and optimized leverage. The Beta 01-045 is a reliable solution for cutting bolts, chains, and metal rods. Phosphatized blades and rubber grips provide durability. The GEDORE 2666316 combines precision and efficiency with hardened cutting edges and optimized leverage. The WIHA 39374 Classic is ideal for reinforcing mesh, Meunier steel, bolts, and rivets. It delivers reliable cuts on materials up to 40 HRC. The USAG U019602 features a powerful double lever system that reduces cutting effort. The Beta 01100860 is designed for hazardous environments where sparks must be avoided. Its spark-proof construction and 600mm length ensure safety, leverage, and dependable cutting performance.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.